junior business analyst, what you would be doing. So first of all, let's talk about the skill development. What does the skill development look? Focusing on analytical tools like SQL or Excel, and then understanding the business analyst frameworks, like a SWOT or PESTLE type framework. This really helps you. And of course, online courses. Now, I always told you that I'm going to give you some actionable steps. Actionable steps is this. Watch this, family. Won't you create hypothetical business case studies? Or this was another thing that I didn't take advantage of, but now looking back at it, man, I should have done it. Is volunteer to analyze small business or opportunities that with it. Well, let me just put it like this: small business to volunteer to help small businesses analyze their business problems, and then document your findings and recommendations. This offers an opportunity to build you a portfolio. You see, family, this is why I love the junior business analyst role, because as a project manager, you are responsible for leading the project. And when you're leading the project, you're going to be up against a lot of problems along the journey. And so, understanding one of the key things you always hear me talk about, documentation will always be conversation. As a junior business analyst, you will have to learn how to document. If you don't document, oh boy, it's going to come back to bite you. So,